Hello Jira users. Welcome to our tutorial on target feature, available in the Performance Objectives and Performance Trend dashboard gadgets of the app. This app goes beyond simple charting. It empowers you to set and track performance benchmarks directly within your Jira dashboard. No data exports, no Excel skills required. With support for 4 different target calculation types, today we'll focus on the fixed target, enabling you to establish specific performance objectives seamlessly in Jira. Let's get started. Our sample report shows the work in progress for each assignee. To better manage workload, we can set a fixed target, in this case maximum limit on the number of open tasks, either for the entire team, or for each assignee. We'll start with overall target for the team. Activate the target section and select the fixed type from the options on the right. The full metric option shows the percentage of completion compared to the total metric data. In our sample report, we've set a target of 12 work in progress issues for our team of 4. If we exceed this number, it's considered undesirable, so we've marked exceeding as bad. And labeled it max. In this case, it might be better to choose the per x-axis item option for the fixed target. This lets you set a target value for the x-axis data, such as the maximum work in progress for each assignee, to flag those who are overloaded with work. The chart will then display the percentage completion of the target for each bar. Keep in mind that, the type of target and results you choose, will depend on the specific report you want to configure. The fixed target type also supports displaying burn up and burn down results. You can find use cases for these on our website. In the upcoming videos, we'll explore the other target types available in the Performance Objectives app, and provide guidance on how to use them effectively. Thank you for watching.